Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, jeans sweater, cardigan, jacket. See, this is the way it looks like. This is the pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 11 and plus 1 extra stitch. For this pattern we don't have separate 2 edge stitch, right? So you'll need to cast on only multiples of 11 and plus 1 extra stitch only, right? So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 11 plus 11 22 and plus 1 extra stitch 23. So row 1 right side, the repeat pattern starts from here, from the beginning. So knit 1 starts row 1's right side, knit 1 because this is first stitch, so we're gonna knit through the back loop, or I'm gonna knit through the front loop, right? And repeat pattern starts from here. So we have the knit 1, yarn over, knit 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 or 10. Knit 10 and then yarn over. That's the repeat from here, from here to here, right, from the beginning. So for repeat pattern we have done knit 1, yarn over, knit 10, 2 4 6 8 10 and then yarn over. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. Again repeat that again. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and then yarn over. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last edge stitch you will have 1 extra stitch here. Your last, it's not edge stitch, your last extra stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. So slip your first stitch and purl all stitches on the wrong side. Oh, I'm gonna slip this edge stitch, last stitch on the wrong side, so I can knit here on the right side. So we have done row 1 and row 2 here. Now row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, the repeat pattern starts from here. So knit 2, I'm gonna knit through the back loop, right? Knit 2, 1 2, knit 2 and then yarn over. The next stitch is going to be purl, so yarn over purlwise this way, bring them in front first and yarn over purlwise and purl 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Purl 10 and yarn in back. The next stitch is going to be knit stitch. So yarn in back, yarn over, knit twice, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. So for repeat pattern we have done knit 2, yarn over, purl 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yarn over, knit 1. Again knit 2, yarn over, purl 10, bring that in front, yarn over, purl 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Purl 10, yarn in back, yarn over, knit twice, and knit 1. And your last one stitch, knit 1. Row 4, for row 4 first stitch slip, and the repeat pattern starts from here. Sorry. For repeat pattern, purl 2, knit 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knit 10 and then purl 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, purl 3. Repeat that again. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knit 10 and purl 2. Edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Sorry, last stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, repeat pattern starts from here. So row 5, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 3 and yarn over, knit 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knit 10, yarn over, knit 2. 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yarn over, knit 2. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knit 10, yarn over, knit 2. 1, 2. And your last stitch, knit 1. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, the repeat pattern starts from here. So knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 3, purl 2 together 6 times, yarn in back, purl 2 together 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Purl 2 together 6 times, yarn over, knit, 6 times and then knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 2 together 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 2. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2 together 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then knit 2, and last stitch knit 1. Row 8, for row 8 the repeat pattern, purl 1, slip 1 first, and then the repeat pattern starts from here. Purl 2, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, purl 3. Again, purl 2, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6 and purl 2. And last one stitch, purl 3. I'm going to slip instead of purl because this is last stitch. So that's the repeat. So we have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.